Hey, I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On this channel, I share stories of everyday manifesting and how it worked for me, so you can apply it to your own life. So I got an instant manifestation. Days ago, I saw a girl just out in the world, like at the grocery store or something, and really liked the shirt that she had on. I focused on the shirt in that moment, took a mental picture of it. I said in my head, I want that shirt, and I wonder where she got it. Then I continued on, and days later I was driving and got fast food at a fast food place and was just sitting there in the parking lot eating like, what should I do today? And my mind got the idea to go, and it says, go to this one store at this location. And I'm kind of like, okay, but I don't know why, or do I really want that since I don't need clothes right now, specifically. And it was a clothes store. But so I went along with it anyway. And once I was there, I browsed around, and suddenly it stood right out to me. The shirt was right there for sale on the rack. I was like, whoa. But then it was a small size, and I needed a bigger size. And even more weird was a worker came over right at that moment, and she was like, do you need help? And I asked if this is in any other sizes, or if any of the other same stores had it at a different location. And she said the store scanner says there is your size here in the store, but it could be anywhere, or even in the return process area too even. Or there is one in a different store in an area 45 minutes away. So I continued to look around and got a few items to try on, and wondered in my head if I really wanted to go that far for a shirt to the other location. So once at the fitting room, the worker right at that second had a handful of items and put it on this rack in the fitting room, and right in front of me, and right in front, there was the exact shirt and the size that I wanted too. So I tried it on and I got it. I got what I wanted. Instant manifestation. Fast and easy. I didn't even have to know where it was from. I was guided and led right to my desire. So why did it work? I was clear on what I wanted. I focused on it for a few seconds or minutes. I said I wanted it, and as I did, that meant me having it. Then was resistance free, meaning not having bad thoughts about it. Not upset I didn't have it now. Not upset that I don't know where she got the shirt. Not upset at my now reality. It was a clear desire and a clear signal. Then I was perfectly led without me even realizing it, right to it. That is how easy manifesting can be. The more aligned you become, the more this happens all the time, or can happen all the time. So what is alignment? Basically having less bad thoughts about anything. A peaceful state. So work on your state of being first. Being without bad thoughts about anything, so you are closer to your awareness, higher self, and so desires can come in much easier. If you have tons of bad thoughts all day, or bad thoughts about your desires, then that's what's blocking or preventing them. So alignment first. It is amazing to see how then all the people and things are arranged in your favor then. You get ideas, you are moved, and the lady with the scanner came right up to me. The fitting room person placed that item right in view, right in front of me, and all worked out for me. So become stable and aligned first, closer to your God state, by being without bad thoughts about your desires. So that's my video for today. Comment below what you want to instantly manifest. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.